I want to show you how to use your calculator for punching in the compound interest formula. So let's suppose we had $5,000 at 5% interest compounded quarterly, and we were trying to find the future value. For that formula, we would have P times 1 plus 0.05 over 4 raised to the 4 times however many years we were doing. So let's do 5 years. Okay, so let's take that 5,000. So I'm going to punch in 5,000 parentheses 1 plus. Now this calculator actually does have a fraction option. So if we were going to put an interest rate of 5%, we would need to put 0.05. And on the bottom, we would need to put the compounding. So for quarterly, we would have a 4. For monthly, we would have a 12. For yearly, we would have a 1. For, let's see, semi-annually, we would have a 2. So we would want to make sure we had that number right. Then we need to close our parentheses. We need to put the exponent there. And remember, in this formula, the exponent is the number of times it's compounded times the years. So if you're going to do all the math at once, you need to make sure that you put a parentheses there. So if I'm doing quarterly compounding for 5 years, I would do 4 times 5 and I would close my parenthesis. Now in this case, I could do 4 times 5 probably in my head and get it there. So I could put just a 20 there. But if you're going to put all your math there at once, you need to use parentheses. Then just hit enter, and this gives you the future value. If I now wanted to find out the interest, I would just hit subtract, and I would take off my original 5,000 and hit enter, and this would tell me the amount of the interest that I would have.